Yes. Can you find the height of this tower without actually measuring? Yes, we can. So by considering this tower as a right angle triangle, we can calculate. For that, we need a topic which is called as a trigonometry. But what is this trigonometry? See, this trigonometry is derived from the Greek word trigonometron, where this 3 is nothing but 3, gon is nothing but sides, metron means measure. Okay, so this is a small definition for the trigonometry. But actually, this trigonometry is nothing but the study of the relation between the sides and angles of triangle. So with this help, we can find the height of this tower. Okay, before that, we need to know the Pythagoras theorem and the properties of a triangle, where this Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, the square of a hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Yes, and this is about the Pythagoras theorem. And then let's see the components of the right angle triangle. For that, let me consider a right angle triangle, which is a ABC. Here, it is right angle at B and it is having a angle theta at C. Now here, if we see, there is a longest side, right? Just opposite to the right angle, which is a AC. So this is nothing but a hypotenuse. And then there is a adjacent side to the reference angle theta, right? Which is BC. So it is termed as a adjacent side. And the AB, which is opposite to the considered angle theta, it is termed as a opposite side. Now I can apply the Pythagoras theorem to this triangle. Then we're gonna get, which is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, so this is about the basic information about trigonometry. So in the next class, let's see the topic about the trigonometric ratios.